Okay, so good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, students. So today's date is 8th of January 2021. This is class 11th and I will teach you commerce. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a few questions. If you know the answer, then give answer in complete sentences. Okay, so what do you mean by marketing?
Marketing is to promote buying and selling of product.
Good. Okay, so where can you
Marketing
promote?
is to promote buying and selling of product.
Okay, so where can you promote your product?
We can promote products on television, internet, newspaper,
Good.
magazines,
So how internet helps in promoting product?
on on internet by making product website. Product can be promoted.
Good. So how websites helps in promoting product?
On website, products information can be seen so that cons- uh, customer can buy the products on website.
Good. Okay. So what will you call this process of marketing? So students, today we shall study about advertising. Okay. So tell me, in TV, what do you see in between movies?
Ads, advertisements, ads.
Okay. So you see ads in between movies in TV. Okay. So what do you mean by advertising?
Advertising is a promotion of any product, promotion or sale of any product.
Good. Okay. So here is the meaning of advertising. Okay. So it helps to outspread a word or awareness, promote any newly launched service, goods, or an organization. Okay. So in advertising, what happens? It outspread a word or awareness or promote any newly launched services. Okay. So if any product or any good that has been launched in market, so advertising, with the help of advertising, we can tell about this product or services to the world. Okay, we can aware the world about our product and it has been newly launched in the market. The company uses advertising as a promotional tool and it reaches a mass of people in few seconds. Okay, so all the companies, or you can say many of the companies, uses this technique to promote their product, and it is a promotional tool because it reaches to mass of people in few seconds. In few seconds, in a very short period of time, it can reach to masses of people, or to reaches to many peoples also. Okay, and advertisement is communicated through many traditional medias such as radio, television, outdoor advertising, newspaper, or social media. Okay, so there are so many ways that you can communicate your advertisement. Okay, here some has been given. First is radio, television. On radio, you might have heard so many communication are come between the shows. Okay, in television, you might have seen tailors because there are so many tailors in between movies. Outdoor advertising, newspaper, on newspaper nowadays newspaper is filled with these advertisement. Okay, okay, and on social media, of course, if you use social media, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, you can see that here there are also advertising. People are selling their clothes and services or their products on social media also. Okay, so tell me, what is the main objective of advertising?
The main objective of advertising is to introduce new products to the market or to the people.
Good. So marketing, main objective of marketing is to introduce new product in the market. Okay. So what are the feature of advertising? Okay. So
It
here are
give
the
info.
okay. So here are the features of advertising. First, just create demand. Okay. So in advertising, what happens? Information about the product has been given to masses of the people, and that's why it create demand. Okay. So people get to know about product. They will get to know about the use of product and the benefits of product and about the product, and that's why they will demand the product. Okay, so whenever a demand of a product increases, then the profit of that company also increases. Okay, second thing is develop goodwill. Okay, whenever we see an advertisement of any product in TV, newspapers, boards, okay, or posters, what we think is that we get to know about the brand of that company. Okay, so that develop goodwill. Okay, so if more people will get to know about a brand, or will get to know about the brand, or they know about the brand, then definitely it will create the brand recognition in people, and which helps in the development of goodwill of the brand. Okay, third is educate customer. Okay, so in advertising you might have seen that there are so many information has given about the product and related to the product and use of the product. Okay, so which educate customers. Okay, so it educate customers by giving information uses of the product, so people get to know about the use of the product, or they get to know about the its benefits also, so they may get aware about the product, and they get educated through advertising about the product and uses of the product also. Okay, fourth is helpful in product selection. Okay, so nowadays what happens in market, if there is one product is available, then there are many so many varieties of that products are in the market. Okay, so sometimes what happens, people have a need of different type of product, or they have different priorities. Okay, so example, with the example you can understand it better. For example, in lotion also, there is a shea butter lotion, there is roseberry lotion, there is this aloe vera lotion. Okay, so it also helps to product selection. Okay, so if people wanted to have a soft cheeks or soft body, then they can choose aloe vera lotion. Okay, so it advertising, you can give information about your product, about the qualities of your product, about the uses of ingredient of the product. Okay, so that is why people, it will helpful in product selection. Okay, so tell me, how advertising helps in product selection.
Advertising provide all information of product to the customer.
Okay, so advertising provide all information about the product to customer, which makes them it makes it easy to select the product. Okay, so tell me some advantages of advertising. Okay, so here are some
Advantages.
advantages of advertising. Okay, first is mass reach. Of course, if you advertise a product, then it will reach to mass. Okay, because that's why it is very economical, because one advertisement can reach to million of peoples, or the number of people. That's why it has a mass reach. Second is encourage customer satisfaction. Okay, so people get to know about the product, the quality of the product, and the quantity of the product, and everything that a person has to know about a product before making a purchase is given in the advertisement also. Because all the information about the product has been given in advertisement, that encourages customer satisfaction, because people know what they are going to purchase, so which makes them satisfied. Okay, third is economy. How it is economical? Because when a company makes one advertisement, and it will reaches to masses. Okay, reaches to masses means it will reach to millions of people. Okay, so a company doesn't have to make millions of advertisement for millions of people. They only have to make one advertisement, and it will reach to millions of people, and that is why it is very economical. And fourth is expressiveness. Okay, so what happens, sometimes when a product has been launched without advertising, what happens, that people buy that product, they are not satisfied with that product. So why they are not satisfied? Because they haven't get a chance, or the company haven't even expressed their views of the product, means why we have made these product, or what is our target, to which type of customer we want to target. Okay, so when in advertising that the target customer has been given. Okay, so expressiveness is very important for any company, because advertising provides expressiveness to companies, and in which the potential customers will get attract toward the product, and they will buy the product. Okay, so what makes advertising economical?
As advertising help reach to number of people, it is economical.
Good. It reaches to millions of people. That is why it is economical. Okay, so tell me some disadvantages of advertising.
Advertising increase of cost. It takes lots of
Good.
cost to
Yes,
advertise in.
it increases the cost of product. Okay. So here are some disadvantages of advertising. High price to customer. Of course, we know that even the price of advertising is included in the price. Okay. So we should know that the price of advertising will be taken from the customers only. Okay. The company are not going to pay the prices, or and when advertisement cost included in the price of the product. Okay. So that makes the price higher. Okay. And the higher prices has to pay by customers only, so the advertising increases the price of a product. Second is impulsive buying. Okay. So what happens in advertisement that sometimes any information or any wrong information has been given in advertising, so people get confused about the product, people get confused while watching the advertisement, sometimes they don't understand what's given in the advertisement because lack of knowledge. Okay, so they do what, they buy product without even knowing complete information about the product, and this will lead to impulsive buying. So impulsive buying is buying the product without even having a need, or without even requirement of the product. If you are buying things, then this is called impulsive buying, and advertisement can sometimes leads to impulsive buying, which is not good for customers, because to buy a product they have to pay a buy price, but to paying in the price, in exchange they are not getting anything, they are just getting product which they even not required. Okay, so impulsive buying is one of the disadvantages of advertising. And third is fraud to customers. Okay, so not all the companies are very honest to customers. Sometimes they give wrong information about the product while through advertising. Okay, so people buy it, sometimes they hide ingredients. Okay, so sometimes the customer has to pay the prices. Okay, if they are buying fairness creams and their skins are getting damaged. Okay, so this is all a fraud to customers. Okay, they are getting product which is not even useful for them, which is harmful for their health, and they are paying the prices. So this is fraud to customer, because company haven't even declared, or they haven't even shown the right information about the product to customer, that why they bought it, and now what happens, they are having the side effects of the product. Okay. Fourth is misrepresentation. This is also one of the disadvantages of advertising, and there are so many cases of misrepresentation occurred nowadays also. Because in advertising, what happens, sometimes company is showing something else, but people are confused, they cannot understand what is given on that. Okay, so there are many ads in which that moral values or sometimes their ethics have been targeted. So what they have is, it is a case of misrepresentation, because sometimes they represent whatever they are thinking, they are not able to show that through advertising, and people get confused what has been given or what has been shown. So this is misrepresentation. Okay, so what is advertising?
Advertising is paid form of personal promotion of a product.
A very good, it is a paid form of personal promotion of a good. Okay.
Product.
What are two features of advertising?
Advertising creates demand, or it educates customer.
Good. What is one advantage of advertising?
Advertising enhance customers' knowledge or
Good.
satisfaction.
Good. What is one disadvantage of advertising?
Advertising create impulsive buying.
Good. How advertising is economical?
Advertising is economical as it reaches to the number of a people, two numbers of people.
Good. Very good. Okay. So here are some sentences. Say true if they are correct. Say false if they are incorrect. Okay. So first is advertising is an unpaid form of promotion.
False. It is a paid form of promotion.
Good. Second is
Okay.
advertising create awareness in customer.
True. True. It creates
Good.
awareness.
Third is advertising costs are included in the price of product.
False.
Advertising costs are
True.
included in the price of product.
True.
Yes, this is true. Advertising costs are included in the price of product. Okay. Fourth is advertising decreases goodwill of brand.
False.
Okay. Fifth is advertising discourages mass promotion.
False.
Yes, it is false. And advertising increases mass promotion. Okay. So here is your homework. First question is what do you mean by advertising? Second is give two advantages and two disadvantages of advertising. Okay. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.